We haven't even distributed anything to the
We
workers.
apply it. I don't want to do it every
We
frame, right?
distribute to the workers up here. And we have the worker up here. So maybe I should actually place this up here.
How do you play the animation?
Hide work.
Alt A.
So this runs fine and is spamming this quite a lot.
Absolutely not what I thought was going to happen.
Okay, yes, because it's passing this request, or it's calling this request again. So this has to be refactored, right? Or in some way.
What? I'm going dark Java source. Okay, so I see what's happening. The camera's just rotating all the way around.
I might have to move these two to another function.
It does eventually move there, like it is moving while it's doing it, it's just spinning while it rotates.
Close this in a function, maybe. That's what I mean.
Don't do this. So we have rotation 0, 0, 0.
I'm actually not even sure about
Rotation
cases right now.
Great. How do you fix that?
I just use.
If it's already at 0, 0, 0.
I guess this is
How do you fix that?
we call it.
Oh wait, that's the plane. Yeah, we want the camera object.
It's not the work.
有人进吗？有。
I guess it's the function that.
Sorry.
The worker distribution in some sense. Like it either queues it or it picks the work.
41.
Current activity, ca2 framework, Windows desktop round, basic applications, Hella Multiverse.
Let's stay at 540.
And it needs to take the same parameters.
It doesn't
Maybe
exist.
it's not so smart.
Hey, you're still spinning around something. Now you're doing it even more crazy like. Before doing all that, don't you want to make the movement of the car look more natural? I don't know. I kind of think I needed to do both things at the same time.
See again.
Right. I think it needs to happen both at the same time. I'm not sure. Because I have to lock everything in place. Maybe I don't. I am not into Bitcoin.
Not be probably
Kinda wish I was a long time ago.
undefined.
Thank you for
Yes,
hosting,
but nice to
Xander
have
Gaming
to
Twitch.
return something
Thank you
now.
for hosting, Wolves Nation XD.
So the queue is
You're
closed.
here to tell me that prices have dropped this quick from low values that I should probably invest $100 or so in them? Let me know. Go and lock everything. Only stuff you actually want to use. Okay, I was just using the animation. I don't know how to
I
do
guess I
this.
need to return actually. I can return.
Is there any reason for that, Gandalf?
Yes, we don't bind it to the worker. Or I'm not sure if you
Have a reason?
rebind the worker if
Because that's going to be a little bit
changing
harder, I
the
think.
reference in cars.
I mean, it's fine. It's just kind of wondering if there's a reason.
If you know what I mean, right? I'm not sure if you can change the value.
Hi,
of
Monkey
the
Bear.
worker just
Come
by
here.
assigning it a new value when you parse it as a parameter.
Good job.
Right. I guess it doesn't work.
Hi.
Here it
How's it
returns
going?
nothing.
Okay. So
Meaning that the worker's gonna be null. That's also not good.
we gotta figure out the camera. The camera does a spinning thing.
Because the post
Go over
message is
here.
running after and we don't need to run that if
We got
this is correct.
41.
So maybe
6.
I need to handle it another way.
That's so tiny.
I guess I
Why are
could
you
check
going
it, right?
around?
I can test it.
Why are you going around like this?
I guess I could test
41
it.
6. Let's stay with 41 6.
So that's all the log work.
You're still going around. Why? Because you're not set. Otherwise, if you wanted to move a barrel, you'd have to move it for every frame you had locked
So
in
it's still
previously.
undefined, but why is it not posted?
Also, you would have this
Okay, so
camera
worker
right now.
before,
You'd save
worker
it.
after is undefined.
Location it.
So why is it
Sorry.
undefined here? Let's check if
I
we're
just figured
assigning
that out.
a new worker here.
I think.
should run.
Hey,
so
the camera moves like it's supposed to. Okay, what does it look like?
I'm just gonna call it this, and we need to print this.
Okay, how do you
See
render an
if
animation?
There's anything
Oh, that's pretty rough,
in this
but
work.
how do you do that?
I'm not sure how this
Render,
reference works.
I guess
with
on this
parameters
tab.
and so on. And also this is way
Start
too
frame,
many
end
processes.
frame, frame step, frame
Let's go
range.
here and let's just run this through.
You're definitely not doing it.
Okay, good. So worker before undefined, worker after is
Yep.
correct.
Okay.
That's fine.
How do you
so
export
I know how
this?
it works now. Meaning that we actually need to
Output.
return the worker here.
File extension.
Right.
Control F12 for animation.
And that means up here we need to return.
Is there any reason the car fell off the camera here? Great.
It's
Probably
a
because
bit
we adjusted the
problematic.
small numbers.
Because I essentially
Lovely. Now, how do you play back the
I
animation that we
essentially-
rendered?
need to check something here, but
Surely
I guess
those
we can
can
do an
save
if
the
statement,
file,
right? So
like-
if this one is undefined or what, I guess we can just return undefined here. I'm not sure what the best convention is, but let's do that. So if this is not equal undefined, then we do
Control
something. Or then we post
How
the
does
message.
somebody cannot... Okay,
Yes.
hold on. Gotta render that thing again.
And this is not correct.
Width
because
not
we need to
visible by
rerun
2.
the worker, right? So if this
I see.
this is some mess,
Let's
right?
go with
I'm not even
25%.
sure if you do this.
That'll make that divisible by 2.
Actually, that's also
Here,
stupid.
look at
Why
the
am I
camera.
doing this? I can just do that, and then we do worker. And if workers are it's not
Shift
undefined, then
F.
we post
Have a poet get
else
the
do
Move
something
the camera.
right. Maybe is it the correct way? Is the question.
Okay.
And
I
once message.
this.
So this is when we get the
So
or
now we'll
the
go
message back from the worker. I might also
Alt
want to
A.
place this somewhere else.
Perfect. Actually, not
function.
too bad.
But at least this
We need to
part
move to the left a little, but
could be in a function.
Shift F.
So
Good. Enter.
just
Ah.
check it out again.
All day. I don't know if I could have done this perfecter. Okay, good. We got motion. This is not
worker
going to
post
take 1
message
hour to make.
is not a function.
This is going to take a whole day.
So worker post message
Check.
is not a function. Why is that not so? Because of
Now let's try F12, Control F12, rather. Delete each of the frames. Render that out.
Okay, so the worker's not
Are y'all done?
undefined, or
I think
is
you're
it
all
a
done.
promise or what?
Let's go ahead and use the real good renderer, the cycles one.
Because it's async.
Also, this thing needs to be
Oh, is this where you need to await?
delete it entirely. Okay? Just delete that thing entirely. Hit Control F12. Now it's going to take a moment. But we're going to render it right. Going to take a moment, but let's render it right. It's still going to be small, low. I can definitely see this is going to take forever to render it correctly.
So we await the worker because it's a promise.
That's just 2 frames. We're doing 30 frames here. And this is on like
Then we
the
do all this.
25%. This is definitely something you let render while working.
Actually, I think I
I
want
can
to
see I'm
make
going to make my machine work well.
this function,
I go to work and while I go to sleep.
even though it uses
Yep.
so many variables.
Full-length animation movies must take like weeks to render.
Call the worker receive.
Although I have heard that Eevee actually does this almost in real time because they finally get the renderer to the real time state. Sounds good to me. Frame 9. So about a third of the way done.
It's a bit.
That
Like, I
skid
know
mark
that's
there from the
promised,
previous
but
race doesn't really make sense, but this isn't the final one. We're just kind of playing and learning. Also, sorry I didn't do this a little earlier, but thanks to the Dutch Gandalf for supporting my indie adventure and giving me some
and this helps to
help
work on
with Blender. I appreciate that.
Well.
I gotta shut the blinds because if you can't see, the sun is slamming into my eyeball. Now's a good time to do it. We're waiting.
But more press, response, server G76 press. That should be fine. Let's see if it still works. Probably it doesn't.
I do sure the heck hope that this
We're
is
gonna
saving
receive
itself as a
data.
movie that we can just
Unexpected
run outside of Blender.
identifier.
That is the objective right now.
Okay. Where can we see data?
Come on. We're almost there. 19. 10 more frames left. Is there anything I could be doing while this is working?
Unexpected syntax error.
Not really sure. We could plan out that we want the car to go over the jump. Maybe the car goes over the jump, and I have no idea how we're going to do this, but it would be nice to go through the boxes or hit one of these obstacles. You can pet Monkey. Monkey is not here right now. He's probably in his cage. Or hanging out with his...
Or no.
He's probably hanging out with his kids.
It doesn't seem we get any response right now. It's interesting.
However,
See, maybe we need to
if
console
you hit
log
the boxes,
results
how are we going to make it so that those act
Or that's probably the G7.
half?
Right?
Sorry for great idea. It was a great idea.
We might have to console log.
He's not here at the moment.
Text.
So I've hit the boxes. I'm gonna have to manually move each box in a way that looks correct, and that's going to be time consuming as crap.
Okay,
Just moving
so
it is not gonna look that great.
Reference error. Text is not defined.
Okay, last frame? Or is the next
You know
frame the
what?
last frame?
We're just gonna do it up
Possibly
here.
the next frame's the last frame.
Let's see text. We're gonna check it out. Also, this is not that. Was that the problem? Maybe.
Well, petting Indy. Indy would have to come. Okay, we got that done. And we have F11. Control F11. Oh. Oh. We got something over here. But we got multiples of them. Great.
Text is not defined. Text is not defined.
14 timer
Text
jo
also
ydelse.
You should be able to
Right,
simulate
maybe
the
it's
physics on
because
those,
of
but I
this one.
don't know how myself.
That's not how it
Okay.
works. I'm not very
Also,
good
the car slows down at the end. Great.
at doing this.
Can we just deal with
I'm not
linear,
sure if we need
and
to
then I
make a
can
function
deal
and
with
let's say
cleaning stuff
text
later?
and then call this again.
Ah,
Is that how you do it?
keep everything linear for now,
Yes,
because
okay.
the
Apparently,
cleaning is
right.
just gonna screw stuff up.
Apparently. I guess we can also use
The car is gonna like
syntax
speed up, slow down,
if I
speed up,
know
slow
how
down,
it is.
speed up, slow down. It's gonna be really bad.
Like this. In brackets, right? I never, like for some reason I enjoy writing.
And
I
then
never do this
Control
way.
F3 maybe?
Okay, still works.
No, Control F3 is
And then what? Then
not
what? I
what
guess
I want. How do I
this
save
one,
that?
we can say we can do the same actually. So this one can be
How do I then choose where to save that animation?
work or
Control F11
request.
opens it over there. For some reason it's over here.
request close.
I can't do anything with it. I can
Stream
control it this
close.
way. It's already saved. Yeah, but I want to save it somewhere else.
This one needs to have this function.
You can choose that after, no? Like the screenshots? You can't move it
Still
after?
need to- so this needs to work as well.
Oh,
It doesn't
dear.
need anything else.
Can I
And it's
open
gonna
this file
call the pull
location?
request
That would be
or
good.
push the worker to the ready ones. That's fine.
C10. Oh,
Here
Can we
we
not
pass
put it
the
there?
button again.
it's like one of the worst places to put it. Windows key.
Still works. Okay. Or
C10.
request stream
Guess
close.
what's
It's
the
not
name?
defined. So let's see. It's because I need
It's
to set the
39K.
server.
Wow, that was great. Check that out. Woo, check out that quality. Not That thing took like 10 minutes to render. Okay.
Okay.
Oops.
So one request count, one. And the ready workers are being filled. That's good.
Now we need to figure out the
Maybe
linear thing
let's try
again.
it out then with the site that does 1,000 requests.
Did that
Like you
once.
get there. This menu is actually very annoying right now.
Blender animation.
Here we go.
Yeah, I want to get rid of that.
Request count.
Oh, that's right. We had to deal with those stupid
Okay, so
freaking
let's
points
first
that were.
start by removing this.
Linear animation. Ah, it's gonna suck.
That's not good. Anyways. Okay. Type cannot be
So we
property
go to the
once
animation
of
screen
undefined.
layout.
Cannot be property once of undefined, and that happens.
That should fix
Where
it for
does
you.
it happen? 104.
Oh, well, that's way easier than dragging these stupid dots like I did last time.
It's the wrong way. Do I really need to have if worker? I guess if worker is not undefined, I can place this here. Sure, that's fine. Maybe that's the problem. We'll see. See now. Back. Okay. So now we're back at the problem. Before it completed 70 requests and it's 109 and stuff.
What? Back to the 3D view, because, whoa. That ain't helpful.
So, how would I know if the request is closed? Because I think this happens
Let's
because
try this.
the worker
And
doesn't
let's try.
close. I thought it was the stream that would
Cock.
close as well.
You're not doing anything.
You also want to console log.
Okay, and now we hit all day.
You also want to console log how many.
There you go, your constant speed. Excuse me. Great. Of course I keyframe this location. That's how you make the motion, as far as I'm aware. It barely moves in here though. Like, that is either too zoomed in or not zoomed in enough or something. I don't know.
Nå, boys and girls, jeg er jo faktisk klar til at logge af nu her.
I'm not sure.
Jeg vil sige, at I må have en super awesome god weekend derude. Og så
Strike
håber jeg, at jeg måske lige når at streame på søndag, måske en 2 timer, eller sådan noget, hvis jeg er heldig.
So
Kommer
connection
lidt
should
an på, hvornår jeg
finish
kommer afsted,
count.
og hvornår jeg skal afsted igen. Fordi jeg skal afsted på
Send the worker
kursus,
receive
som
data.
sagt. Jeg skal på kursus
It's
mandag
not in the
tirsdag, så jeg skal med
workflows.
tog om søndag til Hillerød. Så for at det ikke bliver alt for sent til, når jeg kommer over, så
Okay, now it's
skal
speeding
jeg i
up,
hvert
slowing
fald
down.
gerne være med
Hit
toget
T.
omkring klok 4, om det er før 4 eller
don't know why I
i hvert
changed
fald lige
variables.
omkring. Så
You need to move the handles
se,
if
hvad
you want to
det-
change linear to
hvad det
cubic,
bliver
since linear has no
Men
handles. I
hvis
just
ikke andet, guys,
changed
så
it
håber jeg,
back.
vi ses meget snart igen. Så må
Speeding
I
up
have
would be
en
exponential.
fed weekend derude. I har det godt så længe. Tak fordi I kiggede forbi.
Exponential? Well, I guess it sure does speed up. Okay, we need it to not speed up quite that fast. Vroom. What is this green thing?
Okay. So this one is definitely being hit at some
That's your
point.
position.
So maybe I should clear up
Mm-hmm. Kind of thought something like that
the
was going to
workers
happen.
and the stream, because the stream might be different, right? So where is this happening? This is happening down here, but we don't have, and I probably don't care about the response, do I?
It's not good.
Response is what? I care if the requests.
Guess we'll stick with linear and we'll just try doing it manually.
I don't know. Wait a minute. What's the difference?
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to come in here, come to frame 10. The car started here. Frame
Okay, so
10, we're gonna
the
move halfway
response
back.
is the message you get back. Is that the one that's closed? When you, if you're the server, that means that the client is
This is
closed.
probably not gonna work
Or what?
the way I want it to. I'm just gonna try it.
I
Then around
guess
frame
maybe
20, we're going from there to there, so let's move it. Ah, crap. I know what I did wrong. Move it halfway back and hit I. There we go. Now let's come to frame 20.
And
Move it
this
about
one
halfway
can
back.
be the
And hit I again.
risk close.
Now let's get all day. He does accelerate
It's not even
in a
arrow,
very
but
jerky motion. But it does accelerate. I'm almost wondering if it's better just to start making this in game at this point, but the idea is to have a mock-up to show people. I
it
like
works
motion
fine.
in this mock-up because people
And
like
then
motion.
suddenly, so this is interesting. Let's see. Ready workers.
You can use cubic interpolation to fix the jerkiness. How is that going to work? Because cubic is still going to slow down or like speed up and speed up type of thing. As far as I'm aware, whoa, Windy Beard. Hello. Welcome to the game dev arena of ca2, Monkey and Indie Dog. Why is the other thing not triggering? Oh, my raid is probably going to be slow. Interesting. So that was Streamlabs raid. We're going to have a new effects. Stay tuned. I didn't give Wendy as an ad anyway, so... Bezier curves. How's it going, Logical? Good morning to you. Bezier interpolation. T. Cubic. Good morning, Wendy. How are you doing? Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? So now we did this, and we hit all day. I don't know if it could have gotten more jerky. It made it worse. Not sure how it made it worse, but it made it worse. Before.
The workers are not cleared up
After.
at all right now.
It made it worse. Stream was a good laugh. How are you? I'm doing well. I don't know where my alert is. It should have popped up by now, I would think. Maybe I didn't get the IRC message for some reason.
This one,
Speed Dude, I am working on making a mock-up of my next game, and for the first time ever trying to do an animation in Blender so that we can see the car go through the mock-up track. Is kind of the idea, to give people a sense of the motion and whatever. Learning,
but the problem
skill
is
building,
I don't have the work down.
getting frustrated, a little bit of all the above.
So this was where I needed to figure out
No idea how to make this so that it does things nicely.
which one it is that closes.
Easing by
because if
strength.
it's the rest.
Click on
I mean,
Bezier.
I guess I can just pass the request
Got a
anyway.
dash. Have a great
But then
stream.
there's
Have a good
extra
one, Wendy.
parameters.
Enjoy.
Not sure if
Pulling hair or hats. Oh. the raid again. All day now.
So I would need to bind it up here.
I don't know if that's smooth, really.
Press once, and then what we need to do is
Seems like
call
you slow
this.
it down right here. Anyway. Is there any way to move this keyframe, like, scale all of this by 2? Take twice as long to do this.
But it might not be here. Is it here?
Like, move this keyframe out to frame 60, move this keyframe to... You can drag the dots on the graph.
So if the worker's undefined, we're gonna pass it to this one, and we cannot. If we pass it undefined worker, it's not gonna work. So this is gonna have to
Oh
happen.
yeah, I can
here.
screw things up by doing that.
But the problem is then if it crashes before, maybe. Right. Stop locking out this worker. Okay, so the workers are still, or the workers are still 7, so that's good. See what happens when we do a lot of requests then. The same thing.
Are these frame numbers or time numbers? These are frame numbers, aren't they?
So the queue is gonna be higher than 1.
So that it, no
Meaning
matter
that
what I
we
get for
pop
frame
one
rate
from the
speed,
request
we're gonna
queue.
get screwed.
And then we pass the request to this. But then again, think if it's a browser bug or something. Or maybe not.
And you can't use 0.5 there either. The bird is hanging out with Dizzy right now, I think.
Closed.
Second step? What is second step?
So
Oh, this is a
what
snap.
would be possible to do here?
Okay, well, let's just say screw that and continue going. So,
Because for some reason this is not working. It's not working as the
start working
message
on the
should.
car here.
Maybe it's because it's happening too much.
Grab Shift D.
Okay.
Node.js remove
Rotate
worker
Z.
this
Why are rotate ways? Grab Shift Z.
Maybe I just need to count how many workers is actually running or something. But I thought I did that.
Dang it.
So our ready workers usually
Rotate
holds the
Z.
list of the 8 workers.
Grab Shift Z.
Request length is greater than or equal 1. Then we don't push the ready worker into the queue. But
Rotate
we do
Z.
the request instead
Grab Shift Z.
from the queue, yes.
We failed it
Which
again.
is stored. Where is that stored actually? Maybe that's the problem. So it's
Okay,
here.
so with all of that, let's
Work
jump
or work?
this thingy to
So if
60
workers undefined,
and see
the
how
ready
that
workers
works.
is equal, or less than equal 1, less than equal squared, less than equal 0.
Oh dear.
Meaning there is no ready workers.
I guess it gets the point across.
And if there's no ready workers, we push the request and what kind of request it was to a queue, and return undefined. So you see, and this goes here, and if that's
That hurts.
correct, then this happens. So maybe that's where the problem appears, or
Let's
what?
go for this fiver.
So they
I want to
usually
move
clear
half
it up
as much
here,
on this one.
but the rest is not
Rotate
closed
Z.
because it's never bound.
Rotate X.
As this might
Grab
be it
Shift
actually.
C for the moment.
I might actually have to have this function 2 places. I guess I can try it out. It's these things I don't actually know, but sometimes you just have an intuition maybe, if you're lucky.
It's gonna be good enough probably for the camera.
It seems it keeps going right, but there's no ready workers. There's no ready workers.
It's hard keeping the consistent speed, I can tell you that much.
Because this is hitting here. The request queue is what?
Grab Shift
It's
Z.
probably something.
There's the birdie.
Then we go here, we pass that.
Oops.
But in this case, the worker might be undefined.
7, I guess. 7 without moving the camera. Grab Shift Z. Grab C. Rotate
I think
X.
it's undefined. Yes, so it's it's undefined. It's undefined. What can I
Okay,
do about
this
that?
is getting annoying. How do people do this? What was this? I see, it was that. Try that again. Not bad. No, I didn't say it's great, but it's not looking bad. It looks like you're taking a jump. And then you freeze.
So we get the get request. When we get the get request, we do this do request, and we call it with undefined the request and the path. Then we get up here. We say the worker is currently undefined, right? We rewind the worker to the result of this one. So if worker is undefined and worker ready worker length is 0, then we
Gravity
push
gets
it.
faster as you
In
go,
this
so
case, it's gonna return undefined, and if it returns undefined, this is probably something here. When it returns undefined,
the car is now landed. Ooh, dear. Oh, the sudden stop at the end is killing me.
because it's not being cleared up right. There's no one new going into the queue. This one just pushes the request.
Mind you,
and if this
we
is
have
undefined,
made
then we
literally
actually
a
need to
2-second
return.
clip.
Right, so
Here.
if that's undefined, we need to return.
How do you stop
should do
playing?
Because we basically need to stop.
Like if we were to render this all out, not that the
it
camera's gonna stay with
matters,
us,
probably
but if we
wouldn't.
were to render this all out, it would be
Right,
two
there's no
whole
reason
seconds.
to return in the end. I think not. But maybe it needs to be something like this. I'm not sure. Who knows? Anyways, right?
Rotate the Z.
Nobody knows.
Grab Shift Z.
Okay, completed 17. So for some reason, it's good at completing 17 requests. Seems.
Rotate Z.
For some reason, it's also not doing all the requests. It should say there's something that blocks it for some reason. And I wonder what it is.
I guess we need to get closer because we're gonna need a keyframe when it touches in order for it to start spinning the other way.
Completed requests.
Otherwise, it would look weird. So, what keyframe number would that be on? If we're here, would we get all the way there? Like, we moved from... Yeah, we might be able to get there. And then... start rotating Z this way.
Okay, I'll remove all this bullshit code. Actually,
Oh, riddles. I hope this is working.
so maybe it's this one.
Oof, what the heck happened there? That looked ugly. What the heck is happening there? It's not nearly as violent as it needs to be. Oh, also, when I moved this guy, I never set his keyframe.
Maybe I need
Start
to
at
await
frame
this.
50. Is this worth my time? Is this worth my time? I have no idea.
await.
It's hard to answer.
So at least I know this is an object, right? So that's fine. But okay, so maybe this is what's the problem. So we have
Trying to knock these boxes
have 8
over and
here.
stuff.
That's what we need.
I feel like,
Okay.
yeah, just creating the
probably-
screenshots is going to be good enough.
It's probably here it happens.
I don't know if creating the animation is going to be worth doing.
Yes, it's something to do with this.
That's going to be a
100%.
lot of work.
100%.
We've already been at it for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
an
7, 8.
hour.
And now
The
you
objective
have
here is to have the
or
look
something.
and the vision of the game,
Dum,
like,
dum.
to be able to
Okay,
say
so-
this is what it's going to look like.
So do request. Okay,
We
I
have
really
that.
need to solve this.
The car's no longer
Do
here,
request.
but we
So
have
the work
that.
yes, the work as an object, and that's very important. But for some
14
reason,
timer
this,
i
when this is
øvelse.
called, here in the end. And that's an easy fix. Hey, how about you can't do it, man?
Current activity, ca2 framework, Windows desktop round, basic applications, Hella
Wait,
multiverse.
I need to clear so CLS and then we do it one more time. So let's do it again. Let's say work.
I'm going to make a pause.
Okay, there's none. That's good. That's what I hope for.